So customer service, you have to have patience, and it's so easy to hurry the customer sometimes, especially when you're talking about something maybe you've talked about 1,000 times before. You just want to interrupt them and just skip right to the end. That's a no-no when it comes to customer service. Never interrupt the customer. Always let them finish their thought. Have some patience. And so I have a crazy story for you with regards to patience about a Teriyaki Planet worker that was very impressive in terms of the patience that they had. Let me tell you about it. Hi, I'm JB with Marketing 360, and we help small businesses grow with our marketing and design, talent, and technology through our #1 marketing platform, Marketing 360. We call marketing and design mad, and we love mad. And hopefully these videos will help you fall in love with mad too. So make sure to follow us to learn tips, tricks, and strategies to grow your business and fuel your brand. So I walk into Teriyaki Planet one day, and immediately I know something's kind of off. There's about 3 people waiting and 1 person ordering, and everybody waiting looks frustrated. In fact, one lady's actually sitting down. And so I thought that was unusual. So I walk in, I'm kind of standing in line, I quickly figure out what's going on here. The person that's ordering is taking an insane amount of time. And the person behind the checkout counter was being crazily patient. So the person ordering is basically asking things like, okay, so tell me about the teriyaki bowl. What's that like? And then the worker, of course, is explaining it, and they're thinking, that sounds good. That sounds pretty good. Tell me about the yakitori chicken. What's included there? And of course, the worker's explaining it, and this must have been already going on for like 5 minutes by the time that I walked in. And so I walk in and I'm experiencing this, and meanwhile, 3 or 4 other people come in. So the line's getting very long now. At this point, multiple people are sitting. And they're looking at each other frustrated, like, are you mad about this? Like, let's get mad about this, and there's sighs going on, people getting real upset. Well, it kind of hits this breaking point where I catch eye contact with this lady that's sitting there, and we both just start laughing. We just start laughing because this is so ridiculous that the whole place starts laughing about it. We cannot believe how patient this worker is. Like, you'd think they'd be trying to interrupt this customer and hurry them to order, but they weren't. They were just answering every question as nicely as the first. We all started laughing. The person finally decides what they're ordering. Cheers break out in the restaurant. Literally everybody waiting is cheering. It was hilarious. The person walks out. I got up to order after a couple people burned through there, and I told the person, hey, unbelievable customer service. Like, you sat there so patiently, and they just started laughing. We're like, I didn't know if that ever was gonna end, but great job to them. How easy could it have been to interrupt the customer, to hurry them along? They didn't do that. I would imagine that person walked away thinking that Teriyaki Planet has just a great atmosphere and offers such unbelievable service. They had to have been happy about their experience. They probably came back. They probably told their friends about it. So I just wanted to share that story today. I think it's a good example of, it's an extreme case, but you're gonna have those types of customers sometimes that ask you the questions that over and over again, and you have to be patient, you have to let them finish their thoughts, and you have to answer them just as if it's the first question that you had. Hopefully this video was helpful today. Happy marketing. We appreciate your time today. Hopefully you go out there and you grow your business with this power tip.